On a silent, moonlit night, atop a stone tower, the medieval astrologer stood upon his balcony, gazing into the endless sky. Delicate chimes tinkled gently in the cool breeze, as the astrologer meticulously documented the movement of the stars with quill on parchment. An owl hooted softly from a nearby tree, a serene witness to ancient celestial traditions. As the night sky twinkled with constellations, the astrologer adjusted the brass rings of his astrolabe, its metallic clinks harmonizing with the rhythmic whisper of the nighttime winds. The incense of sage and lavender lingered, blending with the symphony of nocturnal insects, crafting an atmosphere of celestial tranquility and historical elegance.